When I crossed the finishing line last year in Vienna at Ineos 159 Challenge, knowing that I broke the 2-hour barrier, I was really happy. In my mind, the inspiration was actually my goal number one, that I've inspired somebody in the whole world, that no human is limited. And in this world, there will be no more impossibilities.
Well, this could be the most famous Saturday run the world has ever seen, and it's all about this man. Eliud Kipchoge storms into the history books in Vienna.
You can break any barrier. There is no wall at all in this world. You can go through the walls by believing that no human is limited. The most important factors which actually aided me in breaking the 2-hour mark, actually one was the teamwork. Secondly is people around me, good training. When I talk of teamwork, I'm talking about technical team, my coaches, my colleagues, my teammates, all those people who worked for 6 months without sleeping. The main sponsor, Ineos, Jim Radcliffe and his entire fraternity. And above all, my family. 2 hours will be broken in a normal marathon, in a big city marathon. The only thing is that the athletes actually, or people around who want to practice actually to have the belief in their hearts and their minds that they can do it. My biggest concentration now is to recover, to make sure I recover fully. Olympic Games is still in my at the back of my mind always, which will happen next year in Tokyo.